Wall mount cable hiders are essential for organizing, concealing, and protecting cables, creating a neat, safe, and clutter-free space. My today's video is about top 5 best wall mount cable hider that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Aizen Cable Hider. This wall mount cable hider kit is an excellent solution for organizing and concealing unsightly wires while enhancing safety and aesthetics in your home. The kit includes a generous 315-inch total length of cable channels, with inner dimensions of 0.57 inches in height and 0.96 inches in width, along with 15 couplings, 4 L elbows, 3 T fittings, and 3 inside and outside elbows for versatile cable routing. Installation is remarkably simple, no screws or drilling are required. Just peel, stick, and secure, making it ideal for quick home improvements. Note, avoid textured walls for best adhesion. Made from UL94V0 flame retardant materials, these cord covers provide high durability and reliable protection for wires and circuits, ensuring safety for kids, pets, and electronics. The channels are cuttable to fit any space and paintable to match your decor, blending seamlessly into walls. Functional, safe, and stylish, this kit transforms messy cables into a neat, organized, and secure setup. Now our second product is Delamo Cable Hider. The Delamo Cord Hider is a premium solution for organizing and securing messy cables at home, in the office, or in dorms. Passing the UL94V0 flammability standard, it offers superior flame retardancy, stopping burning within 10 seconds and preventing flaming plastic drops, providing added safety for daily use. Its upgraded snap structure with attach and snap technology makes installation effortless, click on, click off, allowing wires to be concealed quickly without tools or professional help. Made from high-quality, durable plastic, these cord hiders are sturdy, impurity-free, and resistant to breaking or discoloration. They effectively organize cords, making rooms look neat and freeing up space for movement, while also creating a safer environment for children and pets by keeping hazardous cords out of reach. Cuttable and paintable, the cord covers can be customized to fit any wall or decor seamlessly. Functional, safe, and stylish, Delamo cord hiders combine efficiency with aesthetics for a tidier, safer space. Our third product is A Plus Electric Cable Hider. The A Plus Electric Cable Management Kit is a comprehensive solution for organizing and concealing messy wires, offering both convenience and safety. The kit includes 20 cable channels, each 15.75 inches long with 1 inch width and 0.63 inch height, providing a total of 315 inches, 26 feet, of cord coverage. With a wall thickness of 1 mm, each channel can neatly accommodate 3 to 4 standard power or Ethernet cables. The set also includes a variety of connectors, straight, T, L, inside corner, and outside corner, allowing for fully customizable cable routing to fit walls, desks, or entertainment setups. Installation is simple. Self-adhesive backing provides a secure bond on smooth surfaces, while included screws and anchors ensure stability on rough or dusty walls. Made of durable PVC, the channels are long-lasting and paintable for seamless integration with decor. Beyond aesthetics, this kit improves safety by reducing tripping hazards and preventing accidental unplugging, making it ideal for homes, offices, and media setups. Now number 4, EcoGear Cable Hider. The EcoGear in-wall power and AV cable kit is a game-changer for home entertainment setups, allowing you to route power and AV cables neatly behind walls in about 30 minutes. Pre-wired and ETL in-wall certified, it ensures both safety and compliance with electrical codes, so you can install with confidence. The kit lets you place power modules up to 5 feet apart, giving precise control over where outlets and connections land, while keeping everything within the same stud bay. Its cable pass-through accommodates up to 4 large braided HDMI cables, plus additional room for Ethernet and audio cords, offering flexible support for complex setups. Installation is straightforward with the included drywall hole saw, driver bit, and locking wings for secure attachment behind walls. Requires at least 2.5 inch of wall depth. The kit also includes a 6-foot extension cord, and EcoGear's responsive 7-day-a-week tech support ensures guidance if needed. Functional, safe, and eco-conscious, this kit simplifies cable management while enhancing home aesthetics, and our last choice is EVO Cable Hider. The EVO 306-inch cord cover kit is a comprehensive cable management solution designed to tackle messy wires throughout your home. With an impressive 306 inches of coverage, this kit provides enough cable raceway to organize every room, making it ideal for large-scale DIY projects. Installation is simple and versatile. You can secure the cable hider using tape or screws, ensuring a reliable hold on a variety of surfaces. Its slim, low-profile design accommodates multiple cables without appearing bulky, making it perfect for tight spaces, behind TVs, or along walls. The fully paintable surface allows seamless integration with your home decor, keeping wires discreetly hidden while maintaining a clean, organized look. Beyond aesthetics, the kit prioritizes safety. Sturdy construction protects cables from pets and accidental contact, reducing hazards. Overall, the EVO cord hider combines efficiency, safety, and style, offering a durable, user-friendly solution that elevates both the appearance and functionality of any room while keeping your home safe and clutter-free. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.